Oh, come on, say you remember me.
Of course I remember you, Penny. How could I forget you? You're the most beautiful creature I've ever seen.
Well, you should look at your own reflection.
You knew I was a swan?
Of course I did. That's why I asked you to come with us. If only your wings had been strong enough.
Well, now you come with us. Learn our way. And my mother, can she come too?
Of course I can't. Just a beg, you duck. I can't teach you the ways of the swans.
But you taught me to swim.
From what I remember, that nearly finished me off. Hardly surprising, really. Fancy me teaching a swan to swim.
But I want you to come.
I can't come with you. Please back in the junkyard with your father, bless him. They say birds on a feather should flock together, and your place is with the swans now. I think I know someone who's rather keen that you should go with them.
But I've only just found you. I'm not sure I want to leave you again so soon.
Yes, you do. Now go on before I get tearful and unnecessary. But you make sure you come visit us all back from the junkyard. Look after him for me, won't you?
Come on, my dear. He's very hurt. But I promise he'll be safe with us.
Sure he will. Now go on. Let's see you fly.